You are going to love the 2025 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, HD radio, trip computer, universal garage door opener, compass. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.